Ever wonder why your space just doesn't feel right? It's a question many of us ponder over, without realizing the answer could be right under our noses. The secret to harmonizing your environment, to making it feel not just right but perfect, could be lacking greenery. Welcome, dear listeners, to a revelation that has the potential to transform your living or working space completely. Welcome to the enlightening world of interior design intertwined with indoor plants. Now you might ask, what's the connection? How can plants, seemingly ordinary objects of nature, have any specific impact on the ambiance of your space? The connection, my friends, is rooted deeply in the philosophy of life itself. In countless cultures and traditions around the globe, plants have been revered as symbols of life, growth, and prosperity. They embody the essence of nature's cycle, continually growing, evolving, and thriving. When you introduce plants into your home or workspace, you're not just adding a decorative item. You're inviting a living, breathing entity that channels the force of life itself. Adding greenery to your space does more than just spruce up the place. It creates a vibrant, lively atmosphere that radiates positivity. Think of it as a magnet for good vibes, a simple yet powerful tool to attract positivity and repel negativity. Each plant that you nurture within your space is a beacon, constantly drawing in good energy and diffusing it into your surroundings. And while all plants can contribute to this positive aura, some are particularly potent. Plants like bamboo or jade, for instance, are renowned for their ability to attract luck. Their vibrant green leaves and sturdy stems are icons of resilience and prosperity. Remember, placement is key in maximizing the benefits of these plants. According to the principles, the eastern direction is associated health while the southeast brings wealth. So, position your plants accordingly to harness their full potential. In essence, transforming your space is not just about rearranging furniture or changing wall colors. It's about infusing it with elements that resonate with positivity, growth, prosperity. It's about embracing the power of plants and the principles of decorating to create a welcoming environment. So, are you ready to transform your space? To turn it from just right to perfect? Embrace the power of plants and interior design. Remember to keep it green, keep it clean. Until next time, happy designing.